Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to an unboxing. Okay, this is not yarn related, just to point out. It is a antique silk made out of silk thread, and the fabric is supposed to be silk. So I wanted to share you this unboxing because I fell in love with it when I first saw it. So as you can see, this is the 0.55 gram, I believe. It's not even, I don't know what this stands for, really, because it's only, the box is heavy, but inside it's just very light. And okay, so how much I paid? I paid $60 for the shipping, Canadian. I paid $23 and $23.87 for the custom fee. Yeah, I paid custom fee. And I paid $111. So the remaining I paid for the product. When I see something, I try to buy it ASAP, because if I want to have it made, I cannot have it made. It's impossible. So this is coming from Turkey, from Izmir. Izmir, the name of the city. Okay. This is my third time buying from her. Her name is Daria. And what she did is she shipped it before I even paid. So I guess she trusts me, right? Okay, nice box. Oh, look at the packaging. I just love how she packs it. But you know, it's a waste of money. See, you know what I mean. But what can you do? I was gonna actually hold and maybe buy some more products from her, but unfortunately she shipped it ASAP. Okay, so I'm going to open the page. I even posted on my Instagram page. I'm going to show you the pictures. I'm just gonna open that page and I'll be right back. Okay, before I do that, let's open this and then you can compare it, because I don't know. I have to see, right? So it says Saf İpek, Safi İpek. İpek means silk. I reuse these packages. It's because it's perfect the way she packs. Okay, very nicely. But like I said, the package, $60 Canadian I paid for the shipping. I'm sure it would have been less if she shipped it with a... Yeah, I was going to even tell her not to put lavender, because the customs, they think that these are bad stuff. Okay. So they do smell good, though. Oh my goodness, I'm going to put this next to my window. And when the sun hits, right, I will smell it. Okay. So just going to use the scissor. Oh, this is cut. Can you see? See, I did not cut this. Did I cut it? Oh no, I think I just cut it. Oh, I can't believe what I just did. See, just be careful. I hope I didn't cut the fabric. Oof. I'm so disappointed. I hope I didn't cut it. Goodness, what did I do? Oh no, I didn't cut it. I don't know if this is silk, but oh yeah, look at the quality. Oh my goodness. My aunt, my hands are so dry. I get so emotional when I touch these, because my aunt, my father's sister, She used to make these. These are needle pointed, and I will show you a demonstration of how it's done because I started to do it. It's really time consuming. It's done with knots, and the thread is so thin. Can you see how thin it is? It's so thin. Oh. It's chiffon. So I can use this as a remove the scissor before I cut anything. Oh, this is so elegant. Oh my goodness. But it's see-through. So I can use this as a shawl. I can use this as a neck warmer, you know, to decorate around my neck. Wow, I am so happy. See, if I was in Turkey and if I wanted someone to make this, I would have paid more than what I paid now. Because these are priceless. They're all, it's handmade and it's old. Yeah. See, my father's sister, she used to, well, she passed away, but she made me, I think I have this color as well. For some reason, this color always calls me. Peach. I call this the peach color. If I find them, they're in the boxes in the closet right next to me. I have yellow, and I'm having a hard time using the ones that she made because you know, it's very hard because I don't want to. Can you see? This is silk. Yeah. I'm just looking at it. It's very, very elegant. I don't think I can use this. Why not, eh? I bought it to use it. Just love it. Okay, so the way that she did the display was just fantastic. Something like this. So it's the same picture, I would say. Nothing different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my Instagram page, and I posted I believe a picture. I made a video, I think, and oh, it's so elegant. It's handmade. That's the reason I always go and buy handmade. And look at this. This is just lovely, lovely, lovely. So I'm just pulling that. Here it is. Okay, I'm not going to turn on the value because due to the YouTube copyright. Let me see. Can you see it? It's really hard to yeah, it's the same product, but the way she displayed it, it's like fantastic. The color looks here you go, the same color. Just love it, love it, love it. I am really, really happy what I received. Just love the color. Yeah, as soon as I find them, I will share it with you guys, what she made for me. Yeah. Look at it. It's just fantastic. Can you see? So these are done needle point. I call these needle point. And I made a close-up look for you guys to see. Okay, so I'm going to do a demonstration just to show you how it's done. But she used a very thin silk thread, and it's super soft. It's just unbelievable. I'm so happy that I found this one of a kind. Yeah, I'm really happy that I found it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a needle here. I'm just going to use a thread to show you. Okay, and what I'll do is just show it on a piece of fabric here. I'll just grab something. Okay, okay, so I just grabbed a top that I have. It's an old one. So I'm just going to show it on the edge. I wanted to show it on a black fabric so you can see it better. So I got my needle here and I'm just going to go like this. I'm just going to show you a sample how it's done, just to give you an idea. It's not easy. Okay. And what you do is you go like this. And it depends on the pattern. I think you do it twice and then you pull it. Yeah, I learned this when I was in Turkey, and can you see? Gives you that tiny so tiny it's really hard to see. Yeah. When I was young, I learned this. Usually young people, when you're young, you learn it. Other than that, if you're but I remember my grandmother's sister, she learned it when she was, I don't know how old she was, but she was over 60, maybe 70 years old. And then, oh, she became so good at it. But she was wearing glasses, of course. I even have one of her needle points. I call this needle points. I'm not exactly sure what's it called, but what you do is you make knots. So you go again to the next one. And then you pull it like this, create a knot. I believe you do it twice. I can't remember. I need to, let's do it 2 times. So you create that dot, and then what you do is you come back, and then you make that hilltop. Let's do it twice. I think you need to do it twice. And then you pull it. See, I create that tiny knot. Then I come back here. Yeah, it's actually fun. But as I'm already a knitter and a crocheter, I didn't want to add more what I wanted to learn. Because, you know, you learn this, you learn that. I learned how to do embroidery. I learned how to do macrame. Oh, and you keep on learning, and it's too much at this, you know, when you keep on learning. Sometimes you don't have to learn that many hobbies, so just keep a couple. So this is how you make those, but mine's are huge compared to this. Look at it. It's so gorgeous and elegant. And of course using the silk. So and my aunt, she used to do, you know, custom orders, you know, for big like bedspreads, like for duvets and so on, and so elegant. Yeah, but she did two like this, two namaz örtüsü. These are called namaz örtüsü, or you can use them as a decoration, or keep it in your closet. And then, yeah, so I see there's extra here that they just sewed it up, hide it there, but they didn't cut it. But it's so elegant, it's so gorgeous. I'm really happy with my order, and yeah, so I just wanted to share you this technique. And then these are different techniques, different stitches, or different pattern. It looks like crocheted, but it's not crocheted. Yeah, another thing. So I hope you like this unboxing. I just wanted to share you this one of a kind. Yeah, and I was mentioning because she was doing custom orders. She was having a really hard time uh, finding the silk. Usually the customer buys it and brings it to her. Like my mother, when she wanted to, when she was making me two of these pieces, one is yellow and one is this color. And my mother, she had to hunt for the silk yarn, and it was really hard. So because me knowing that, I hoarded silk thread. So I'm planning to crochet something. Mine's are all natural ivory color. They're not dyed, but yeah. So one day I will work on those that I have purchased. Yeah, so I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't be shy to hit that notification button. So anytime I post a new video, you will be notified that I posted a new video. You guys take care.